Hello, my name is Sterling and welcome to my video again. Last time I did a video on this multifunction barbell rack and I'm still getting comments as to which one to get. So I'm gonna show you real quick. So right now is in a bench formation. So I'm gonna show you how to turn it into a dip rack. Just take off the bar, move this out of the way. So right now, as you can see, on the back of it, right, you got these two pegs right here that you do dips on, but I'm set up for you so you can see it. So right now it's kind of wide, so these clip right here, you just pull this clip right here to adjust it to your height, your level, just like that. So right now it's narrow, so that's how you do it. That's how it's done. And you just do your regular dips with it, just like this. So this multifunction barbell rack, right? You could do bench press with it. You could do incline, decline, and also squat with it. But in this video, I'm just going to show you how to do just the dips with it only. Let me show you from the side real quick. Just like that. You just do your regular dips just like that. These multifunction barbell rack, right? They're good, but there's like a couple things that I don't like about it. These pegs right here, come close. These pegs right here are a little bit too small. So as you're doing your dips with these right here, it's gonna put a lot of pressure on your hands because they're too small. See, you could take these off right here. It's really a thin plastic that they put on it. So what I did was, on Amazon, I got these multifunction barbell grips right here. I don't know if you could see it. And you just slide these on just like that. Goes on just like that. So as you're doing the dips, you won't have a lot of tension or pressure on your palms when you're doing the dips. So let me demonstrate real quick from the side. Just like that. See, it's easy. I'm gonna do it from the front. See, real easy. I could probably let go, just like that, and do my dips. Real easy to do. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to turn this into a pull-up bar. Let me show you real quick. Slide these up like so. It locks into place. And if you have like a curl bar or a bench bar, you slide it on like this. That way you could do your pull-ups just like that. See? So this multifunction barbell rack has a lot of things that you could do on it. So those are the two things that you could do with this multifunction barbell rack. And it's easy to transform back into the dip bar. You just release the peg, slide it down, it locks into place, just like that, and you just go back and just do your dips. It's very light, it's not that heavy. See? It holds 550 pounds with this rack right here. So I'm going to put a link in the description below of this machine, and also these fit grips. So if you go on Amazon and you want to buy this, make sure you get the one that's called multi-function barbell rack with the pegs right here, so you could do the dips. And get a pair. I recommend you get 2 pairs of this right here, so you could have one for your dip and the other for your curls. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much.